Ole, you're so excited. Anyway, hi guys. Good day.
Hello?
We're in the bus. Going to Dubai. So, we meet Alex and Eric. Krishna. And Ole. Ole, say hi. Say hi at least. Hi. Okay, shy. So, we'll meet them and Alex to celebrate the day 2 of my birthday celebration. Week-long birthday celebration. We're in Dubai. What activity we're gonna do? The Lake Julian. Kapanabiya ka magpaliwanag. Anyway guys, later I'll show you what awesome activity we're gonna be doing and then what else? Sorry ka na, say sorry to them.
I'm gonna magalit ko. I'll put nectar for you.
Kay Alex, ano bibigay mo?
Kay Alex nga to eh.
Ay, Alex, bigay din.
Kay Negra na. Wala na yun. Malis na siguro yung pagdating natin.
But anyway guys, later again. Bye. Hi guys, good day. I'm Bess and right now I'm here in Ski Dubai. Kasama si Alex, si Ned, Krishna, yeah, and Ole. So, well, then, what are So what are we going to do? First, I want that ball. So we will try different rides, different activities here in Ski Dubai. So stay tuned. This is my second day birthday celebration here in UAE. Take care, guys.
Bye. When did
Start. It's fine, it's fine. Even if it will get destroyed also. Yeah. Take. Hi.
Start na?
Yes, start na. Hi. Hi. Hi.
video?
Hi. Hi.
Ano, hi lang?
Uy, nakawala ng oras.
Okay, tapos na oras si Negra. Bye!
Krishna, how you feel? Take the video of that, ah.
Mishina, you want to go there? Hindi na dukot mo dyan, ha? Ako din, kasama ako sa video.
Ha? Sama ka sa video? Old.
Ilang minuto ba sa bola?
Ha?
Ilang minuto sa bola?
Segundo lang yan. Hawakan mo siya sa loob.
Absent.
You take
Hi,
a
Ole.
video.
Happy birthday to me.
You take a
birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Man!
Belated happy birthday.
Ole!
Happy birthday, Krishna!
Telegraph mo ako.
Ben, you will bring that inside, ah?
Ha?
With you. So don't stop.
I don't know. Take.
Oh, hold now.
I don't know how to
Stop ko na.
No, don't stop. Continue. Pagbaba lang sa isa.
Maganda ba
Huwag na sa
pattern
alas
mo?
ang baba, ha? Nyame, ganyan. Tapos biglang pagpasok ni Nego hanggang pagbagsak mo ganun.
Sige.
Tapos ikaw, dali mo lang sa loob.
Siyempre.
Absent din kasi pag may time.
Sasabihin ko nga.
Hindi, bibigyan ka nga niya. Masama.
Sasabihin ko nga.
Dad, I'm so proud of you!
Pala sa ano eh.
Nandang, kaya.
Card.
Pero, hindi mo siya papasok.
Sa isa.
Ayun na si Negra. Nasa butas na siya.
Oo nga, bawal.
Ayun na si Alex.
Lex, pahawak dito dyan. Tapos pag ako natin, pwede dyan.
Parang tanga lang. Okay, Ella.
Ano ginagawa? Yeah, ako.
We'll go inside the ball.
Perfect.
Slide inside.
Keep on rolling. Roll.
Roll. Dali mo lang yan, oh. I'm fine. I'm alive. We're awesome.
That's nice.
Oh, nahilo ko dun ah. Okay. That's good ah.
Sabi ni ate sa akin, gulong-gulong lang daw ako.
You're too long. How's it, man?
Not that bad.
Right? See? That's heavy.
That's right. Ay, naku, wala daw bolang maliit. No small
There's
ball
no
for
small
her.
ball for
No
Ole.
small balls for her.
Jackson. May camera siyang hawak. Good luck. Ole! Book.
Hindi ka naman naikot kasi ano yun.
Tawa na Ole. Tawa na tawa.
Huli ka na, iba naman.
So how was it?
Yung cover.
Wow!
Walang cover, adik ka.
Stop that one first.
Yeah. But if you have little kid, how can you go down? Same like that.